Yes, sir. Now we can discuss about one of the good business service opportunity, that is car detailing specialist. The car detailing services that travel to the client are convenient for busy people who can't find the time to run through the car wash. With this business, your clients only have to pay, and the service will be done for them before they know it. They know it. Just make sure you have the flexibility, transportation, and equipment to make to take your business on the road. So car detailing specialist will do where will be the, and car owners can't know all the locations for car washing and car servicing and car coloring and certain changes they may do for the better. These things they can't know. So car detailing specialist will give good suggestions, and with car owner, he will go with them, and certain times they will go personally also with confidence, and certain times they will go with car owner also, and car washing will be done, car servicing will be done, and car coloring, and any services are required. The mechanical shed locations are where it is there and how they will do everything they will explain, so that also they can get a car detailing specialist will say the information everything, so he will daily going means he will get a very good specialized service opportunity, and the informations he will know nearer to that location, so he can give very good ideas to the um, car owners also, so that car servicing is also, and car detailing specialist is also most important, because new car one not old car owners can know certain things only, but not all things they don't know. So if they will depend on a car detailing specialist, it will give a clear and correct information, and servicing will be done in a good way, and the specialist also will have the tie up with some mechanical locations and the color painting locations, and certain service points, and all these things he will know very well, and he will get the commission from that mechanic centers, and as well as from the car owner also, because he should pay, because the specialist will ask all these things, and he will provide everything, and the routing also they know which route it has to go to the which location and which mechanical center, all these he knows means, so he should pay some certain service charges also to the specialist may not clear everything, he will suggest, he will give voice support, and he will suggest the things uh, to the owner, and it will be done very well, so that also car detailing specialist is also most important, but he cannot be a monthly salary wise, but in for the particular locations and occasions only, they will they will be selected, and they will charge something, and you will get everything. By that also, car specialist can earn very good income on his professional side, and customer also can enjoy the so many comforts, by if they are willing to spend good money. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you.